Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Days. Today I'm looking at my carrots. This cold has taken a toll on them. It's doing some damage. So I'm gonna pull some, and look at that. Nice carrot. It's not huge, but it's a good carrot. So I'm gonna take some for us to have fresh, and let's see with this one. Hey, these are Danvers half long. They don't get real big. That's a good carrot. Let's try right here. See that? Okay, here's another one. Let's go up close. That's a little salad carrot. I need something to go with my green salad. Okay, let's go over here to this one. This one looks pretty good size. Again, some of them not too big, some of them, awesome. You learn to tell at some of them according to the size of the tops. Look at that. Pretty awesome carrots. I'm going to get enough that we have some for lunch. So, and they're not real big, some of the Danvers half longs, but when you want something to just cut up, it doesn't matter how long it is. Look at there. Wow. So guys, I'm going to pick a few carrots. Deep South's known for their carrots. Look at here. Isn't that awesome? That makes a great lunch. Some of them will go in a salad. Some of them Danny will have fresh. But carrots, that's what's for lunch. Talk to you guys later.